Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals, wheelchair vehicle specialist with head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2015 Nissan NV200. Has a metallic black blue exterior with black trim and black grey interior with cream coloured cloth seats. The dash has a silver insert. The stereo has radio and reverse camera. Integrity can install a touchscreen stereo system with GPS and Bluetooth. Has key strengths sitting on a slide and click floor pocket which can be used if needed. Simply press the red lever and the belt fully extends and retracts. The sliding door has a handy slide out step. Original wheelchair restraints in this car act like a retractable belt. The belt is pulled out of the car and hooked onto the wheelchair. They tighten as the wheelchair enters the car. The car is versatile. The middle seats can be removed and the key strength pocket positions changed to fit the correct size of your wheelchair. We can work with your OT to make sure your wheelchair is properly and safely secured in your vehicle. The rear of the wheelchair can be fixed to the floor with key strings as shown. Then the lap sash and shoulder strap seat belts can be placed across the passenger. Seats 4. 2 in front, 2 in the middle, with the wheelchair position in the back. There are orange grab rails for safely getting into or out of the vehicle, and they can be removed if not required. As you can see, this whole process is quick and easy. Designed to be a commercial and passenger van, the NV200 won International Van of the Year in 2010, and it's easy to see why. The square shape makes the interior roomy and spacious. The ramp is lightweight and slides to one piece neatly inside the door. It's a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder automatic petrol. For more information on this car, call 1300 RCAT.